Okay, today's mission is rather simple. Taking the trash out and buying the trims that I need. Yeah, so we're off to Ísafjords. And I think the house will be pretty safe. He's gonna guard it for me. I kind of often say that if you want to make God laugh, make a plan. Well, I went to the local hardware store and I checked out what trims they have. Well, it happens to be none of the trims that I want. So I'm going to order them from Poland and they'll arrive hopefully sometime soon. But in the meanwhile, I'm just going to be putting up the IKEA. And yeah, that's the plan for now. If you remembered a couple of videos ago, I carried all the IKEA stuff and everything away from this room. So now comes the fun part of carrying it all back to in here, almost everything. Yeah, it's gonna be great fun.
You touch me so
Okay, I just finished putting together the carcasses for the lower cabinets. The island is here, it's all put together. Over there by the wall, that's kinda finished. I have to do a little bit of fun work around the plumbing here. As you can see, only the drainage is visible, but the faucets are going to be up a little bit up closer, so I have to take out of the back. I have to cut it a little bit. But yeah. One thing I'm loving is the space that's going to be between the sides, so there's no bumping into each other or something like that when I have guests over who would like to spend some time in the kitchen. And yeah, these are put here. Tomorrow I'll be placing these blocks in between each of them just to keep balance and also for extra structural support. It's going to be fun putting them in because I have to screw them into the floor. Yeah, I love screwing things into my new floor. But anyways, that was today. And it's been a couple of days that I've been working on this, but it can be quite draining to know that you have all these boxes left to unpack and put together. But yeah.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I finally.
Now comes the fun part of putting all the shelves together and drawers and everything like that. So yeah, let's get cracking.
Down in the dungeon is all we know, where the shining light we never go into the open. As far as you can see it, wasting there a big bright destiny. Don't you feel like breaking free? Open your eyes, embrace what you see now. Don't you feel like cutting loose? Yeah, cutting loose, cutting loose. I'm alive. I do what you see now. Don't you feel like cutting loose? Yeah, cutting loose, cutting loose. I'm alive, I do or die. My mind's stretched out on the canopy. My dreams getting bigger than you and me. I'm alive, I do or die. Taking the lead, now I'm evergreen. My dreams getting bigger than you and me. I would die for you. I would die for you. I would die for you. I'm alive. I do or die. I'm alive. Do or die. I'm alive. I do or die. My mind's stretched out on the canopy. My dreams getting bigger than you and me. I'm alive. I do or die. Taking the lead, now I'm evergreen. My dreams getting bigger than you and me.
So the kitchen cabinets are almost finished. This side, I only need to put the shelves in. I need to put the top plate on and of course make space for the stove, which is going here. And yeah, and of course the handles. I'm gonna finish them when I get back from Reykjavik.
Looking back to when it all began, I was 25 and you were 21. Oh, I should have known better then, but my heart was blinded like an old man. I recognized every scene we had, the dusk, the twilight, and the city lights. Oh, I didn't see it coming until it was over. Can we go back to what it was before? Like the bad things never came to us. Ooh, I want to make it all go away. Oh, like time never rained on us. Can we go back and figure out it all? Ooh, 'cause I can't find a way out. Anyone can see I'm hurt to the bone. Oh, 'cause time got the best of us. Yeah. Waking up, it's Sunday morning. Yeah, I don't even know how I got home. Oh, I should have known better than to call you in the night like we're still together. Oh, I am free, but I am falling. 'Cause when it comes to you, I just can't ignore it. 'Cause I never saw you grieve until it was over.
Here are the main cabinets that have been set up. I need to go and buy 2 shelves more so the microwave fits. And I didn't get the front for the washing machine. So I'll have to do that. Since that all has been set up, I need to get rid of this trash, put it in the recycling. So now comes a cleaning montage.
'Cause I can't find a way out. Anyone can see it hurts to the bone. Oh, 'cause time got the best of us. Time goes running away.
For the past couple of weeks, I've been a bit overwhelmed, to be honest. So I've been working a little bit slower than I should have, or maybe could have, but I'm working it on my time, and that's why you didn't get a video last week. Remember to like and subscribe, and here if you want to watch the previous video when I put down the laminate flooring, and here if you want to see the renovation from start to finish. But yeah, see ya!